All right, today we're gonna bring a Canopy chair. So it's a backpack chair, perfect to travel, perfect to taking out camping. Now let's take a look at the actual feature it has. It has this is for any kind of water or soda, if you guys can see, retaining area. Now you're not done. You also have these nets that fall for mosquitoes and stuff like that. These are perfect. Not only that, they do block off a couple of the sun, and then you get this beautiful canopy all in there. It's all included. It's part of the backpack deal when it folds out, and it's very double. You can see reinforcement in here, and this is the part that locks in with the canopy itself. It could retain a couple of weights, right? Not too much weight in here. In back of it, you have the little net here in this area here, if you guys can see it. The bottom of it looks very well sturdy and very established. So we're gonna drop the nets so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and drop the net. There's a little, if you guys can see here, the clip. Drop one and the net pulls out. If you guys can see, there is Velcro in the bottom that attaches underneath the back here. All right, Velcro here. You guys can see it, so it could be on the outside. Velcro here. Then we're gonna drop the other one here. Area. There's one. There's two.